Welcome back to my video, and today I'll tell you guys the complete, honest truth about Maison Miharas. So please watch this before you go buy a pair. They can range from anywhere from 200 all the way up to like 700. So please watch this beforehand. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing about Miharas, I actually have two pair, a white and then a black pair, is that they are really uncomfortable. I don't care what anybody says. They're lying to you. They are so uncomfortable. With these, I want to size up, and they fit way too big. They be flopping off my feet when I walk. And these, I went true to size, and they actually, like the other day, I wore them to a basketball game. The Lakers versus the Clippers, right? And I was literally walking for what, 10-15 minutes, and my heels like were about to start bleeding. By the time I got back to the car, my heels are like really close to start bleeding. Like they were really close to like bleeding. So just keep that in mind. These shoes, before you buy them, you can't say that I did not tell you that they're really uncomfortable. I don't even know what I can do at this point. Like put some like Dr. Scholl's, whatever it's called, some insoles in them instead of these ones that come with the shoe. Maybe put some more comfortable ones up in there. But I'll keep you guys updated on what I do end up doing to them. But so far, I'm probably not gonna wear these anymore. Outdoors, I'll probably put them on for Instagram picture and then take them right back off, because these shoes are so uncomfortable to a point it hurts. I see multiple videos on TikTok where people say my feet were like really close, or my heels were really close to bleeding after wearing these shoes all day. There's a ton of complaints about comfortability with these shoes. So that is the first thing. The second thing is that 99% of people are not gonna know what these are. They're gonna say, why you wearing melted Converse? Why'd you put your Converse in the microwave? How much does those Converse cost? Like I heard everything. I even heard, why you wearing fake Converse? Dude, come on now. Like, you're gonna hear it all, because 99% of people, they don't know what these are. Only pretty much TikTok knows these are. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna get a lot of hate for wearing these. But at the same time, they're gonna be uncomfortable while you're still getting the hate. But anyways, hey, just let them hate, because guess what? These are way better than regular Converse. But these are for my fashion people also. They look really cool. So yeah, just keep that in mind. That is the second thing. The third thing is the price. These are not comfortable at all. So why are we paying $200 to $700 for some uncomfortable shoes? Make it make sense. Please make it make sense. Like, I would understand if they were comfortable, and yeah, they look nice and all, but they're not even comfortable. It's not even like enjoyable to wear. That's like buying a race car to go get some Starbucks in. What's the point? And please, if you have PE class, do not wear these shoes, or please bring some spare shoes, because man, your feet, especially you have to run, you're done. You're cooked. But yeah, pricing wise, I do see a lot of people complaining about the price. At the end of the day, the shoes are pretty expensive. They are pretty pricey, depending on which ones you want to get. But just know, it's worth it. It's worth it. They look nice, but comfortability wise, So you know, if you are thinking about buying these shoes, that is just some things that I want you guys to look out for. And just know, your feet are definitely going to be hurting, so I warned you. But anyways, y'all let me know, which colorway looks better, the white or the black? Originally, I bought these. I wore them to homecoming, after party, all that. When I came back home, these shoes were absolutely beat, but then boom, I brought them back. As you guys can see, they're back whites again. Look at that. And then here's a black pair I just picked up, actually. I mainly bought these for content reasons, because these shoes are like really popping right now. So I just want to bring them out and then record them for you guys, make videos on them and all that. But yeah, y'all let me know, black or white. And also, if you want to watch the how to lace video, I'll put them up right here. And also, if you want to watch the unboxing for both of these, I'll pop up the video right here. And also, before you guys go, sizing wise, I'll probably say just go up a size. Because if you go up a size, you can just put another insole in, or you could double sock. But if you go true to size, there's not much you can do. You might have to take the insole. I don't even know you can take the insole out on these. But yeah, there's not much you can do if you go true to size, and your feet are going to be hurting like mine. So it's better to just go up a size and then just have to double sock or put another insole in the shoe. So hope this video was helpful, and make sure to like, leave a comment, share with a friend, family, whatever. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.